everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to share a tweet on Discord. For you to do this process, you need to open the Twitter application on your phone device. Tap on Twitter app. Now that you are logged in into the Twitter account of yours and you're at the home page, you open the tweet that you want to share on your Discord. So I'm just gonna go open the random tweet, or I will share a random tweet from here. So I'm just gonna share this tweet from this Twitter user. For that, you tap on the share icon at the right side from the options available just below the picture. You tap that. So once you tap on share, you will have all this option of share tweet. You can copy this tweet and paste it on different other medium. So for you to share this tweet to Discord, you will find the Discord option from the bottom. You can see the option newsfeed, and just beside there's Discord. You tap on that. This will open the Discord application. Now there's the tweet link. Now what you need to do over here is you need to select a server to which you want to share this tweet to. I'm just gonna go and tap in random. Now that is done, you need to tap on share on the top right. Tap that. And you can see the link has been shared on your Discord server. So this is a way how you can share a link in Discord. So this is a way how you can share a link or tweet on a Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.